Mindset family, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that's changing the way we drive advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS. Did you know that about 94% of accidents are caused by human error? That's a huge number, and that's where ADAS steps in. It's a set of technologies designed to help drivers stay safer and make driving a lot easier. Ever wondered how some cars seem to know exactly what's going on around them? From radar sensors to cameras, ADAS works quietly behind the scenes to keep you safe. Stick with us as we break it all down and show you how this tech is making driving safer and smarter every day. So, what is ADAS? Simply put, it's a group of technologies that help your car sense its surroundings and assist you while driving. Think of it as a co-pilot that's always looking out for you, making sure you're aware of potential dangers and helping you avoid them. How does it work? ADAS uses sensors placed all around your car. These sensors gather data about what's happening on the road. These sensors include radar, LiDAR, ultrasonic sensors, and cameras, each doing its part to make sure your car knows exactly what's around it at all times. Let's break down how these sensors work. First up, we have radar sensors. These use radio waves to detect objects and measure their speed and distance. They're really good at seeing other cars or obstacles even if you can't. Radar is especially helpful in low visibility situations like fog or heavy rain. Next is LiDAR. This sensor uses laser pulses to create a three-dimensional map of the environment, allowing the system to see obstacles with great detail. Then, there are ultrasonic sensors. These use sound waves to measure the distance to objects that are close by, like when you're parking. They help you avoid hitting things that are right next to you. Finally, we have cameras. Cameras are essential for reading lane markings, recognizing traffic signs, and detecting pedestrians. Without cameras, ADAS wouldn't be able to understand visual data like reading speed limit signs or stop signs. Now let's talk about the different levels of automation. ADAS is not all or nothing. It comes in levels, ranging from no help at all to full self-driving. Here's a breakdown of these levels. Level 0, no automation. This is the basic level. The car has no ADAS features and the driver is in full control of everything. You're doing all the work here. Level 1, driver assistance. At this level, the car offers some help. For example, adaptive cruise control keeps the car at a set speed and adjusts to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead. But the driver still needs to pay full attention and control most of the driving. Level 2, partial automation. This is where things get a bit more advanced. The car can control both steering and speed at the same time, but the driver still needs to stay alert and ready to take over if needed. Features like lane keeping assist and traffic jam assist help in heavy traffic. Level 3, conditional automation. At this level, the car can take over most driving tasks, especially in situations like highway driving or stop-and-go traffic. But if the system encounters something it can't handle, it'll alert the driver to take control. Level 4, high automation. Level 4 takes things even further. The car can handle nearly all driving tasks in specific conditions, such as city driving or parking, without needing the driver to do anything. The car can even park itself. Level 5 is the dream, a fully autonomous car that doesn't need a driver at all. No steering wheel, no pedals, the car handles everything. While we're not there yet, this is what the future of driving looks like. So, where is all this heading? Well, ADAS technology is getting better every year. ADAS technology is getting better every year. Right now we're mostly seeing Level 2 and Level 3 features being offered in new cars, with more advanced systems coming soon, but full autonomy Level 5 is still a few years away. We're starting to see cars that can park themselves, drive in heavy traffic, and even change lanes on their own. And as the tech improves, we'll likely see more cars with these features as standard, making driving safer and less stressful. The future of ADAS is bright. As technology advances, we'll see cars getting smarter with better sensors and more powerful AI. But even with all this tech, it's important to remember that ADAS is here to help, not replace the driver. The driver still has the ultimate responsibility for keeping the car safe. So, that's a quick look at how ADAS is changing the way we drive and what's in store for the future. While we may not be driving fully autonomous cars just yet, the features we have today are making a big difference in road safety and driver comfort. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the latest car tech. Thanks for watching, and remember, always stay safe behind the wheel. See you next time.